How to fix Instagram, an extra security step is required. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can fix the extra security step is required error on Instagram. Now before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right in. First step, what you'll need to do is to fix the error, you'll need to try logging in on a different device or using a web browser. So you can open up your Instagram in some other device and then log in. Now, if this does not bypass the glitch and if this fails, you can try using your email for the security code. That is basically resetting your password. So open up an Instagram, try to log in using another account. Tap on add Instagram account. Then type in your email address and number here. Then you can forget your password and then reset it. Now that's the basic fixes here. And if this does not work, what you'll need to do is clear out your apps cache. For that, locate your settings app. Tap on it. And after you tap on it, scroll down till you find apps. Tap on apps. And after you do that, select Instagram. After you select Instagram, there you'll find storage and cache. Tap on it. And after here, you can tap on clear cache button. After you tap on clear cache, the cache will get cleared, and if any glitches that already exist on your device will get removed as well. So for a permanent solution, you can manage your security settings. If you're already logged in on a device, and if you have the access to your account, open up your Instagram. Let me go back. And after you here, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right. Tap on the three lines on the top right. And after you're on your settings, you'll need to go to Account Center.